intention for this video was to make it about a capsule hotel. There is one in Manila, and it's in Quezon City, I believe. And I was looking at photographs online and I thought, well, you know, you're just sleeping in a pod and you're not getting very much for your money because it's around about 800 pesos for the night. Shared facilities like toilet and bathroom, and then maybe there's a little TV room or something. And I thought, Marsh, you can probably do better if you get a budget hotel. And so I had a look online and found the Courtyard Hotel. And so this is the Courtyard Hotel. I made the booking online. It was 599 pesos. And then with the add-ons for Agoda, it's about 750 pesos for the night. All right, and so this is it. Let's go in. I've already checked in. Come on in. One of the reasons I booked this hotel, I've already checked in by the way, but one of the reasons I booked this hotel is it's right near, it's about 400 metres from Taft Station, which is the end of the MRT3 line, which you can take all the way to Quezon City if you like. So if you're a tourist to Manila, it's worth, this is a pretty good location for the convenience to public transport. However, the location itself is pretty sketchy. Pretty sketchy. I was propositioned several times on the way down here. It's also near the EDSA station, which is the beginning of the LR2 line, and you can LRT2, and you can take a train from there practically all the way to Binondo, which is the oldest Chinatown in the world. And if you get off a couple of stops before that, at say United Nations, then you're very close to the museums, to Rizal Park, and of course the Intramuros. As I said before, I've already booked in. I've done all the check-in. So let's go and have a look at the room. This is it. Ta-da! So there's a fan and a bed and a light. Oh, there's a lamp and a chair, and that is about it. We'll show you the amenities. Right, so it's share bathroom and toilets. Let's just see what's upstairs. So this is a little sort of TV room. There's an exercise bike. It's like a day room with a TV. And another balcony out here. You know, amenities wise there's not much, and it's a share bathroom, but you know, what would you expect for the equivalent of, I think it's $14.50 US a night. And the room that I'm sleeping in has no window. and it has no aircon, only a fan. But I don't know, is that better than a pod? Sleeping in a, All right, let's go back downstairs to the room. Look who's here. But Em's not staying the night. She's just come to help me make this vlog. So it's a tiny little room, but it's a tiny little price. And is it better than sleeping in a pod? Well, I don't know, but probably yes. But it'd be close. The pods at Dormitos in Quezon City are about $1 a night more expensive than this. So there's your comparison. A pod, capsule, or this. Save $1. And I think some people would actually prefer this kind of budget hotel to the more kind of dormitory, almost dormitory style capsule hotels. While this is a pretty good location, the actual area itself is pretty sketchy. It's near Mali Bay, where I did the Babinka video a few days ago. And so sort of walking away from Taft Station is a little bit sketchy, to say the least. And just this immediate vicinity isn't very nice at all. But you don't have to go too far to get to the train stations, which will deliver you, as I explained before, pretty much to any place of interest within Manila. I've got to admit, the website, it's not misleading, but it's certainly, the photography is excellent. And it makes the place out to be bigger and brighter and a lot more cheerful than it actually is. I don't know if I'd recommend staying here, but it's a budget hotel. Emma and I are going out into the immediate area to grab a very early dinner. And so we'll give you a look at the immediate area. So this is Edsa, and this is Emma, and it's noisy and it's dirty. Hi, how you doing? So we're back at Taft Station. Well, it's the end of a long day. Emma and I went and grabbed a hamburger. There was just nothing to vlog, nothing to talk about really. and I'm just about to. She's gone home. I'm just about to sleep in this tiny little room with the budget hotel blues. And until then, take care of yourselves, beautiful people. With my thin little sheet.